Step inside one of the most extraordinary beachfront residences ever created, a $75 million glass mansion where architecture dissolves into the horizon and the ocean becomes part of everyday living. From the moment you arrive, the sound of waves replaces the noise of the world, and the line between indoors and outdoors quietly disappears. This is not just a house by the sea. This is a private sanctuary designed to celebrate light, water, and uninterrupted views from every single room. As you approach the property, the first thing that captures your attention is the bold transparency of the structure. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls stretch across multiple levels, reflecting the sky during the day and glowing softly at night like a lantern on the shoreline. The mansion appears to float above the sand, elevated just enough to command panoramic views while still feeling intimately connected to the beach below. A long, minimalist driveway guides you toward a dramatic glass entry pavilion, framed by sculpted palms and subtle landscape lighting that feels elegant rather than excessive. The front entrance sets the tone immediately. Oversized glass doors slide open effortlessly, welcoming you into a space flooded with natural light. As you step inside, the ocean reveals itself in full glory, stretching endlessly in front of you. The ceiling soars overhead, creating a sense of openness that feels both grand and calming. Polished stone floors reflect the sunlight, while soft neutral tones allow the blue of the ocean to remain the true focal point of the home. The main living area is designed for uninterrupted views and seamless flow. A vast open-plan layout connects the living room, dining space, and lounge areas without a single visual obstruction. Glass walls wrap around the entire space, offering ocean views from every angle. Plush seating arrangements are positioned to face the water, turning the ocean into a living artwork that constantly changes with the time of day. Subtle textures, custom furnishings, and carefully chosen materials create an atmosphere of quiet luxury rather than showy opulence. At the heart of the living space, a modern fireplace appears to float, crafted from stone and steel. It adds warmth on cooler evenings while maintaining the clean, contemporary aesthetic. Hidden lighting embedded in the ceilings and floors enhances the architecture without distracting from the view. Every detail has been considered to ensure that the home feels refined, serene, and timeless. Moving toward the dining area, the sense of scale becomes even more impressive. A custom dining table, large enough to host intimate dinners or elegant gatherings, sits beneath a sculptural chandelier that mimics the movement of waves. Floor-to-ceiling glass surrounds the space, creating the feeling of dining outdoors while enjoying the comfort of a climate-controlled interior. Whether it's a sunrise breakfast or a candlelit dinner at sunset, every meal here feels like an experience. The kitchen is a masterpiece of modern design and functionality. Sleek cabinetry in soft matte finishes contrasts beautifully with stone countertops that seem almost sculpted rather than installed. High-end appliances are seamlessly integrated, maintaining the clean lines of the space. A massive central island serves as both a functional workspace and a casual dining area, perfectly positioned to face the ocean. Even while preparing a simple cup of coffee, you're treated to endless blue horizons and the calming rhythm of the waves. Adjacent to the kitchen, a hidden pantry and prep kitchen allow for effortless entertaining. Everything from large events to private family dinners can be handled with ease, ensuring that the main kitchen remains pristine and uncluttered. This level of thoughtful planning reflects the overall philosophy of the home, luxury that works quietly in the background. As you continue through the main level, sliding glass walls open completely to reveal expansive outdoor living areas. The transition between interior and exterior is so smooth that it's easy to forget where one ends and the other begins. A covered terrace stretches across the width of the home, offering multiple seating and lounge zones designed for relaxation and entertaining. Soft outdoor furnishings, natural stone flooring, and subtle lighting create an atmosphere that feels resort-like yet deeply private. The infinity pool is the undeniable centerpiece of the outdoor space. Designed to visually merge with the ocean beyond, the pool creates a stunning illusion where water meets water. From certain angles, it feels as though you could swim straight into the sea. Sun loungers line the pool deck, positioned perfectly to soak in both sunlight and views. A shallow lounging ledge allows you to relax in the water while gazing out at the horizon, making this space ideal for long, leisurely afternoons. Descending closer to the beach, a private path leads directly from the property to the sand. This direct access transforms the ocean into an extension of the home itself. Morning walks along the shoreline, afternoon swims, and evening sunsets become part of daily life, not occasional luxuries. The connection to nature is constant and intentional, reminding you that this mansion is as much about its location as it is about its design. Back inside, a sculptural staircase draws your eye upward. Crafted from glass and steel, it appears almost weightless, allowing light to pass through freely. As you ascend to the upper levels, the view evolves, offering even broader perspectives of the coastline and surrounding landscape. Each step feels like a gradual reveal of the home, most private and luxurious spaces. The primary suite occupies a privileged position, designed as a true retreat within the mansion. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls wrap around the bedroom, ensuring that the ocean is the first thing you see in the morning and the last thing you see at night. The bed is positioned to face the horizon directly, creating the sensation of floating above the sea. Soft textures, calming tones, and minimalist decor allow the natural surroundings to take center stage. A private terrace extends from the primary suite, offering a secluded outdoor escape. Whether it's morning yoga, quiet reflection, or watching the sun dip below the water, this space feels deeply personal and serene. The sound of waves provides a natural soundtrack that no artificial feature could ever replicate. The primary bathroom is nothing short of extraordinary. A freestanding soaking tub is positioned directly in front of a glass wall, offering uninterrupted ocean views while you unwind. Dual vanities crafted from stone and wood add warmth and balance to the modern design. A spacious walk-in shower enclosed in glass feels open and spa-like, further enhancing the sense of relaxation. This bathroom is designed not just for function, but for restoration. The walk-in closet rivals those found in high-end boutiques. Custom shelving, soft lighting, and generous space ensure that organization feels effortless. Every element of the primary suite has been designed to provide comfort, privacy, and an elevated daily experience. Additional guest suites are located throughout the upper levels, each offering its own unique perspective of the ocean. These rooms are far from ordinary guest spaces. Each suite features floor-to-ceiling glass, private bathrooms, and thoughtfully designed interiors that ensure guests enjoy the same level of luxury as the homeowners. No matter where you sleep in this mansion, the ocean is always present. One level is dedicated entirely to entertainment and leisure. A private cinema room offers plush seating and state-of-the-art audiovisual systems, perfect for movie nights or private screenings. Nearby, a game lounge and bar area provide a relaxed environment for socializing, complete with custom lighting and ocean view windows that keep the space connected to its surroundings. For wellness enthusiasts, the mansion includes a fully equipped gym with panoramic ocean views. Working out here feels less like a routine and more like a privilege. Adjacent to the gym, a spa area features a sauna, steam room, and massage suite, creating a resort-level wellness experience within the comfort of home. A private office and library offer quieter spaces for work and reflection. These rooms are designed to inspire focus without sacrificing beauty. Natural light pours in, and the presence of the ocean adds a calming influence that makes even the busiest workdays feel more balanced. As the sun begins to set, the mansion transforms once again. The glass exterior reflects the warm colors of the sky, while interior lighting softly illuminates the spaces within. From the outside, the home glows against the darkening shoreline, a perfect blend of architecture and environment. Inside, the atmosphere becomes intimate and inviting, ideal for evening gatherings or peaceful solitude. Technology throughout the home is seamlessly integrated. Smart systems control lighting, climate, security, and entertainment with ease, ensuring that modern convenience never disrupts the aesthetic. Advanced security features provide peace of mind, allowing residents to fully relax and enjoy the experience of living here. What truly sets this $75 million beachfront glass mansion apart is not just its scale or price, but the way it makes you feel. Every space is designed to highlight the ocean, to frame it, and to make it an active part of daily life. The architecture does not compete with nature, it amplifies it. Living here means waking up to the sound of waves, watching storms roll in from the safety of glass walls, and ending each day with sunsets that feel almost unreal. It's a lifestyle defined by tranquility, beauty, and a deep connection to the natural world. This mansion is more than an address. It's a statement of refined taste, a celebration of modern design, and a rare opportunity to experience beachfront living at its absolute finest. A place where luxury feels effortless, views are endless, and every moment is shaped by the ocean just beyond the glass.